Whew. Hey guys, so just a really quick video. The tester video came out with the build that Adam Savage and I did for the Knights of Ren for Silicon Valley Comic Con 2018. So I just wanted to just do a quick video and kind of talk about the experience. I did an update to the helmet and I kind of want to walk you guys through what I did. So here's a quick montage shot of kind of the update I did, and then I'm going to talk about it, alright? See you guys in a minute. Woo! Alright, so here is the Knights of Ren helmet, the monk, and Adam was so gracious and kind to send the entire costume back for me. So I do have it tucked away in the closet here in the man cave. At some point I might buy a mannequin if I can find the room or the space to put it up in, and yeah, then I'll be able to display the whole thing. But just to get into a little detail about what I did to this helmet and update that I did. So one thing about me, my eyelashes are extremely long, and the good thing about these glasses is that they kind of sit far off of my face. So like even when I was younger, I couldn't wear sunglasses or anything because my eyelashes were too long and it was always brushing up against glasses. But these glasses have been perfect because they sit far enough off of my eyes that they don't bother my eyelashes. But when I put the balaclava on, I couldn't blink. My eyelashes were that long, I just could not blink. And so I thought it'd be a good idea if I put my glasses on under the balaclava, I'll be able to at least blink, and then I'll be able to put the helmet on. But I got the helmet on, and maybe about 5 minutes, not even, maybe like 3 minutes into the walk, the bridge of my nose was on fire. The bridge of my nose was hurting so bad, it left a mark on my nose for like 3 weeks with the pressure of the balaclava over the glasses and then the helmet pushing down and resting right on here. It was pushing down into the bridge of my nose, so it was really hurting. So I was super glad to get the helmet off and the balaclava off when I came back after the walk.
Dude,
that was fun.
that was really good. Oh my goodness. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good, Mike. Oh.
Oh.
So I had my glasses on underneath, and it was killing my nose
really?
the whole time.
Discomfort is a key part of cosplay. It is like a really important component. You'll see this whole weekend as you walk around that like people are like pulling and stretching, and that's just part and parcel of the whole experience.
To kind of remedy that, I took some wire mesh that I bought from Michael's. I think it was only like $1 or $2. And what I did was I cut out 3 pieces, and I took the balaclava that I used during the walk and I cut out pieces to fit around the wire mesh, and I hot glued that over the wire mesh. So one thing, and the reason why I wanted to use wire mesh, because I knew it was going to hold its shape and its form, and it would hold the balaclava in its place on the helmet. After I got the pieces of the balaclava glued to the actual wire mesh, I went ahead and hot glued that into the back of the helmet. As you can see, it sits in here pretty nicely. It's more comfortable, number one, and again, it keeps me from having to put my glasses on under this and not worry about having a full balaclava where I can't blink. But yeah, so that was a very simple update mod to this helmet. Of course, it has Adam's signature on the side here.
Beautiful, beautiful work. I look forward to our next collaboration, man.
I look forward to it too. Thank you.
Well,
It's awesome. Thank you, sir.
My friend, that was awesome.
I enjoyed it.
Until next time.
yeah, if you want to see more about how we built these costumes and how we made the helmets, you can head over to TestVids and check out the build that we did on these helmets. It was super fun. I thank Test and I thank Adam for having me out for the build. So as usual, if you want to keep up to date with what I'm doing or any projects that I'm working on, you can follow me on Twitter at TheBrokenNerd83, or you can follow me on Instagram at TheBrokenNerd83. I thank you guys so much for tuning in. Peace and love. God bless.